Hi guys, I am recording an instructional video for you to teach you how to play the song Can You Feel the Love Tonight? So as you know that this is the song that we have chosen from Tomplay. So remember that you would have to download this song on Tomplay. I have put the link in the description below. So if you have not purchased that yet, you can do that. So this song is for the very easy level. So we are going to play this in our violin ensemble. This is the melody line, or you can call it the first violin when we play in the ensemble with other children. Okay, so your music is in the key of D major. And then the key signature is F sharp and C sharp. So we have to make sure that our second finger is high up on D string, on A string, and on G string. But on E string, make sure that the second finger is together with the first finger. Okay, the time signature is 4/4. That means we have 4 beats in every bar. So the music starts with 4 bars of rest. That means you have to count 4 bars until before you come in. So 4 times 4 would be 16 beats, basically. Okay, so let's get started with your melody line. Okay, as you can see, I have slurred some of the notes, and the reason I have done that is because it sounds more smooth, and we like to start the music with a more smooth sound. So you guys are advanced enough to slur your notes. That means putting 2 notes in the same bow. And you would have to really make sure that you do the slurs, because if some of you do the slurs and some of you don't do the slurs, your bows are going to go the opposite direction, which is not going to look really good. So be very careful with all the slurs that I have put there. Now, the first step to learn the song is learn how to sing it, because if you can sing it, you can always play it. And if you cannot sing it, that means you can never play it, okay? And that's one of the conditions for violin players. So here we go. Let's see how our first phrase starts. Okay, so it starts with a B. We have 2 notes on the down bow and 2 notes on the up bow. Okay, here it goes. B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Okay, here we go. Ready? And oh, okay, I started a little bit on a lower pitch. I'm gonna get my pitch now. B, C, D, A, B, C, D. B, C, D, A, F, G, F, E. Remember your G's together here, so make sure you don't put your finger far high up here. Okay, here we go, ready? And B. Oh, actually we can do this E as a 4th finger, because you guys are advanced enough to use your 4th finger. Okay, so why do we use 4th finger? Because it sounds so much nicer than open string, because the warmth of your fingertip is on the string, so you are playing a warm E. Okay, so I'm going to start over and play these 4 bars one more time for you. Okay, let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so did you see how I was slurring the notes together to make the sound more connected? Okay, so be careful that you guys are going to be making sure that your notes are connected on those slurred notes as well. So I go from bar 9 and sing that phrase, even though I just played that bar, but I'll do that one more time with singing first. Okay, so B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Now you have a bunch of fast notes, eighth notes coming your way, and you're going to move your bow down and up to play those 4 notes. B, C, D, A, F, G, A, E. Ready? Go. Together. 4th finger. Okay, did you get this part? Now here the music becomes a little more exciting. Now we are removing the slurs to make it sound a little louder. A, F, E, A, F, D, B. Ready? Go. And then you're going to stay here because our next note is going to be an up bow. So 1 beat of rest, we go rest, A, G, F, E. Ready, go. 2, 3, 4. So you're going to get that pinky on the string for 4 beats. And then we continue with B, C, D, A, F, D, B. Ready, go. G, F, E, F, E. Ready, go. And then we're going to go up bow again. So keep the bow here and don't move it. Ready, up, A, F, E, A, F, D, B. Ready, go. And then we have a beat of rest, so we have to wait and make sure your next note is also an up bow. Here we go singing. A, G, F, E. Ready, go. B, C, D, A, F, D, B. Ready, go. G, F, E, D, D. All right, and then you have 4 beats, 4 bars of rest. All right, let's continue with the next page. So basically we are starting music from the top. This time we have a little bit of changes. So again, we have 4 bars of rest, so we make sure we count them correctly. And here starts the second part. That is the last bar of the first page. Okay, here we go, singing. B, C, D, A, B, C, D. B, C, D, A, F, G, F, E. B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Ready, go. B, C, D, A, F, G, E, E. Ready, go. go. Good. Keep your bow in this position because we're going to continue with an up bow. Rest. A, F, E, A, F, D, B. Ready, go. Rest. A, G, F, E. Rest, up bow. 2, 3, 4. B, C, D, A, F, D, B. Ready, go. G, F, E, F, E. Ready, go. And A, F, E, A, F, D, B. I'm gonna go start from up bow. Ready, go. And then we continue with up bow again, so don't do a retake. A, G, F, E. Ready, go, up bow. 2, 3, 4. And this is the only part of the music that you do a retake. So that means you do 2 down bows. So that means you have to retake your bow and bring it back to the frog. Here we sing that part. B, C, D, A, F, D, B. Ready, go. G, F, E, D, D. Ready, go. You see a retake sign? We're going to do another retake because this ending is more powerful. So we do a retake. B, C, D, A, B, D, B. Ready, go. G, F, E, D, D. And this last note is very long, so make sure you save a lot of bow from when you get to the frog. Ready, go. And slow down your bow. All right, and hold the bow as long as you can until you hear the music finish. All right. Good job, guys. Practice very hard, and we'll see you later.